God said to Abraham, by this time next year, your wife will be with a child. And then Sarah laughed. Because in her mind, she was more like, "Shey you dey whine me?" Just looking at this from a physical perspective, it didn't actually look like this was going to happen. It wasn't feasible at all. But if only she knew who actually spoke, maybe she would have believed against all odds. Maybe she would have rejoiced in that very moment when she heard the word. To cut the long story short, the 90-year-old woman gave birth to a child the next year, just like the Lord said. My dear, I know God said some things about you as well. I know God gave you some beautiful promises, but right now it doesn't actually look like it. It doesn't feel like it as well. But we can be rest assured that if He said it, then it's as good as it's done already. I hope you know that it's not just a cliche when we say the word of God is powerful in itself. If He says something to you, He will bring it to pass. This is your reminder to keep holding on to His word. Don't be in a place of doubt, but instead, rejoice knowing that everything He said to you will actually come to pass. Rejoice. I'll see you later.